So I haven't done much here since a few days. I got a bit fed up when I kept on whacking my finger here. I'm starting to second guess using that light wooden mallet, so I might as well put that as firewood now. This here, chuck. So where's that piece? That there, firewood, no good. So that's the one that I'm supposed to be using on here, and these are the ones that I'm supposed to be using that way. What I'm gonna need is I'm gonna need another one the same length. I'm not gonna bother measuring it. I'm just gonna copy it off this other one. It doesn't have to be all that precise. Hey. And I just that's it. You can't even see. That should be fine, but I really want to capture some footage here. This here now, another beam to put on the top. Okay then, I haven't got much battery, so I'll just show you what I've got going on. I've got both the top ones going along it, done. It may need a bit more fitting, but there we are. This pole here now is quite close to being too long, it looks, but it should be fine because I fitted it and I thought that would be quite good then. It shouldn't be good. I can trim it down a bit if I need. Let me see if I can saw it right here. And then I've done one mortise just there, so I need to do the other one, and then the other side. I've gotten both poles ready, haven't I? Yeah, right there. So once I finish the mortises, I should be able to fit them then. Get that sorted, and then I'll show you again after it's finished, probably. Okay, let's see then. Here is whereabout I is. I brought a few of his chisels and a nice mallet, and I finally got this piece here done. I don't remember if I showed that piece there, but I've gotten this piece here done too. The frame will be the main bulk, but the plywood I'll put over it can be the main structure. Or that's along the lines of what I'm thinking. So I think I can do away with just nails or whatever to keep the frame together to start. Because like I'd like to give it tapered dowels, but it's not worth it. You know, I'd give it wedges, but I think that's a bit over my skill set, and considering the wood I'm using, it's not exactly ideal. Another thing here, this isn't exactly the streetest frame. It doesn't really matter about how I'd fix it to be, you know, really good. But it won't matter too much because it's not a precision build, if you want. Right here, I'm going to have slats. So the idea is if you have them not too big with right gaps, they'll just kick most of the shit through. And then you don't have to clean it out as often. Still have to every now and then, but not close as often. Just a few acres farm has a nice big chicken trailer, where he lets them out on, you know, during chickening seasons, or whatever you want to call it. And I think, I can't remember now what he had, but he has like slats in it, so much apart, so big, and it helps keep the pit from building up. Then, as I said in the previous things, I want to put the nest boxes down here. Now, technically now, I could probably have two layers. I don't plan on doing that. I plan on having this row here, maybe 4 or 5 boxes, and then I can have the hatch here and a bit of overhang so that water doesn't get into the boxes, because the boxes that hang out, turn the camera out round, boxes that hang out right out here and have like the hinges and asphalt, not asphalt, I can't forget, I can't remember now. But the ones that have hinging up, they just leak too easy. It's hard to get them right, and you know, many of them, the caps can blow right over on you. This one, cap that folds down, you know, you let the chickens out before you get the eggs anyway, or whatever. I don't know, it shouldn't really matter too much. Could probably make individual doors, but I don't think it's worth it. On the top here, idea is sheet of plywood and then corrugate over it, because we have corrugate around. Even if it's full of holes, I can probably try and find something half good somewhere. So corrugate on the top. Yeah, so plywood and then corrugate on the top. And you see these gaps here? Well, my idea is to keep them like that, or at least keep a little bit of a gap, you know, for ventilation purposes. So, you know, the plywood that fixes on the side might go out maybe even that much, so you have an inch of gap or something. One of the things now that they like to put in these, well, is roosts. So what you want to do is you want to leave a few poles just out so that they can jump up, and what we do in the wild probably is, you know, lay on a tree, and you know, predators can't get them as easy then, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit that too easy.